Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel NTS Guru. In this lecture you will learn how to find percentages that end with 7, means 17%, 27%, 37% up to 97% of any number. So starting with an example. %17% of 80, 17% is 10% plus 7%. So how to write 10% of any number by placing point one digit from right, that is 8 plus 7%, 7 into 1%. What is 1%? As we discussed in the previous lecture, in order to find 1% of any number, place point 2 digit from right. So this will be 0.8 or 0.80. So multiplying 7 into 0.8 is 5.6. So by adding this, 13.6 is the 17% of 80. Next is 27% of 120. 27% is 20% plus 7%. How to write 20%? 20% can be written as 2 into 10% plus 7 into 1%. 10%, placing point one digit from right, 12. 1% will be point 2 digit from right, 1.2. So this will be 24 plus 8.4. This is 32.4 is the 27% of 120. Next example is 37% of 150. 37% can be written as 3 into 10% means 30% plus 7 into 1%, so 37%. For 10%, placing point one digit from right. For 1%, placing point 2 digit from right. So 15 into 3 is 45 plus 1.5 into 7 is 10.5. By adding both, 55.5 is the 37% of 150. Next example is 57% of 300. 57% can be written as 5 into 10% plus 7 into 1%. 10%, placing point one digit from right. For 1%, placing point 2 digit from right. So by multiplying, $150 plus 21, 171 is the 57% of 300. Doing another example, 77% of 810. 77% can be written as 7 into 10% plus 7 into 1%. This is 7 into 81 plus, by placing point 2 digit from right, 8.1. By multiplying 7 into 81 is 567. 7 into 8.1 is 56.7. So by adding both values, 623.7 is the 77% of 810. Next example is 97% of 1200. 97% is 9 into 10% plus 7 into 1%. This will be equal 9. For 10%, placing point one digit from right. For 1%, placing point 2 digit from right. 9 into 120 is 1080. And 7 into 12 is 84. So by adding both values, 1164 is the 97% of 1200. So you have learned how to find percentages that end with 7 quickly without using any calculator. Keep watching, keep sharing, and subscribe my channel.